More and more students are coming and classrooms are growing.
We were really excited to add STEM to our rotation for our specials in elementary school a couple of years ago. And so one of the budget implications, a decision had to be made that we cut all the STEM teachers. Our librarians at elementary are now part of the specials rotation. They are incorporating some of the STEM activities while also balancing all of their library responsibilities. The GT students, the amount of time that they have for more hands-on project-based learning, the opportunities to have the space that some of those projects take, it doesn't look the same. Everything else we just had to prioritize, and so that is one decision we had to make. Prop A, designed to fund support staff for students and teachers in gifted and talented, ESL, STEM library services, and support positions. Early voting is October 20th through October 31st, and Election Day is Tuesday, November 4th. Go vote!